Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we are going to learn a very important and interesting string problem, that is rotator string. And this question is very common in placements and coding interviews. And yes, it is actually this TCS NQT playlist for not only for the TCS NQT preparation but also for the other placement exams also. So make sure you watch till the end because we cover problem statement examples and how to approach the code and time complexity and space complexity and interview types also. So if you learn these things, you can easily crack the placement test. So and if you like coding content like this, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So let's see what is a string rotation. So which is a rotator string. So rotating means you all know shifting a character of a string either to the left side or right side. So think of it like a circular movement. So if one character goes out of one side and it comes back to the other side. So there are two types. One is left rotation, other one is right rotation. So let's understand both clearly with example. So let's see the problem statement now. So here is our problem statement. So we have given a string and integer k and rotate the string by k position. And rotate can be either left side or a right side, or it can be done on both side also. So and return the rotated string. So our task is to rotate the string by k position, and we must return the rotated string. So we can rotate the string in left position or else in a right position, or else we can do in a both rotation also. So we do both rotation. So interviewer checks how efficiently you solve this problem. So they will think about your logic and how you're approaching to the problem. So let's go to the example. So here is the example. In the input, we have taken this A, B, C and D, E, F. So and our K value is 2. So and so that we have to rotate the string. So if we rotate by left side, this A and B will came here. And if we rotate by right side, this E and F will come here. So that is what we are going to do. So see here, A, B go to left side. So C, D, E, F, A, B we have got it. In right side, so if we rotate in right side, we got E, F, A, B, C, D. So left means shifting the character towards the left and remove the first two characters and remaining we get a C, D, E, F. So now attach the AB at the end. And our final answer will be C, D, E, F, A, B for the left rotation. And as like for the right rotation, we take a E, F and remaining we'll have a B, C, D and we attach the E, F at a front and we get a E, F, A, B, C, D. So that's it, just split and swapping. So let's see the approach. So here is our approach. In a step 1, we have to find the length of the string. And in a step 2, we have to initializing a k, normalizing k using k divided by n and split the string into two parts and swap and join. So which is our logic for left and right means for left second plus first and right last plus remaining. So let me tell clearly. So let's see the approach. So this is an optimal approach. So in this approach, instead of rotating one by one, we directly split the string. And in a step 1, we have to find the length of the n and normalize k using k modulo n. And in a step 3, split the string into two parts and swap and join it. And for left rotation, substring from k to n and substring from 0 to k. We have to split and join. And for the right rotation, we take a substring from n minus k to the n and substring from 0 to n minus k and we have to join it. So this is our optimal approach. So if we take for the brute force approach, we have to rotate each and every character. So it take a more time. So the time complexity becomes big of n into m. So it takes more time. So that's why we are using a optimal approach. So if we use this optimal approach, so we rotate just only one step. So it is much faster and cleaner. So let's see the pseudocode. So here is our pseudocode. At first read the string and a k. So which means taking input from the user. And n equal to length of s, which is the length of the string, and initializing k and declaring k modulo n. And next we are going to rotate the string by left and the right, and print the left and print the right also. So here is the time complexity and space complexity. So time complexity is just big of n, and space complexity is also big of n. So now brute force the time complexity is big of n into m. So it's take a more time, but in optimal approach the time complexity is big of n. So let's code it. So let's create a class. So let's give string rotation. So we have created a class inside that our main class. So public static void main, and inside that our scanner. So scanner is equal to new scanner inside system.in. So now we have to take a input from the user. One input from one input is string and other input is for how many times we have to rotate the string. So let's take. So string is equal to sc dot. So sc dot next, and after that int k equal to sc dot next int. So successfully we have get the two inputs. So after that, let's get the length of the string. So int len equal to s dot length of. So on next we are updating. So k modulo n. So we have to find the left rotation and the right rotation. So let's declare left rotation and string right. So for left rotation, so s dot substring of k and plus s dot substring of 0 comma k. So for our right rotation, so s dot substring of n minus k. So we have seen in the pseudocode. So which is a len minus k. And plus s dot substring of 0 comma len minus k. So now we are going to print the both rotation. So system dot, so in SOPLN for left rotation, and in another SOPLN for right rotation. So let's execute this. Let's see what will be our output. So let's take input. Let's take a TCS NQT. So TCS NQT. So we have taken TCS NQT. So let's give a k value equal to 2. So what we got? So on the left side we have rotated 2 times. So the TC came to the right side. So we have rotated the 2 times. And for the right rotation, this QT come to the front. So as I explained in the example, as like that we have got. So this code is very short and clean, and we don't use any loop here, and this is interview friendly also. So in the interview they may twist the question like rotate without using substring. So use character array and rotate multiple times. Check if one string is rotation of another. So that's how you solve the rotator string problem step by step. And if you found this video helpful, please like the video and comment your doubts. And subscribe for more DSA and placement questions. So see you in the next video. Happy coding.